Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to create a 2025 calendar within Trello. We will go through each specific step to ensure you can follow along easily and add this feature to your board. This is perfect for anyone managing projects, events, or tasks that require clear organization. Let's begin the full tutorial. First, open your web browser and go to Trello.com. This is the primary site for managing all your boards. Once you reach the homepage, look at the top right corner and click on Login. This will take you to the login screen where you can sign in using your email or a Google account. Pick the method that is easiest for you. Once you have logged in, you will see your Trello dashboard. Navigate to the Boards section and select your workspace to view all your current projects. Now, click on the specific board where you want the calendar to be added. This is a key step for the integration process. On that board, look at the right-hand side for the Power-Ups option. Click it to open the menu of various add-ons. Within this menu, select Add Power-Ups to access the full library of Trello features. Next, we will search for the Calendar tool. Type Calendar into the search bar and hit Enter. The results will show different options. Find the one simply called Calendar and click the Add button. This power-up enables a visual view of your tasks and deadlines. You can now close the Power-Ups window. Back on your board, you will see the calendar option is ready. Clicking it will change your board into a chronological layout, helping you track project timelines at a glance. You now have a fully integrated calendar to keep your workflow organized. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps your productivity on Trello.